two SV318 Russian Prides.
Okay.
I've got 2 tar amps running 0.9 per amp.
Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I come in?
Hey, bud.
How you doing?
I'm gonna let it charge for a second.
Yeah, man, I know. All right, man, what's your name and what's in here?
Thomas Mangum. I've got 2 SV318 Russian Prides.
Okay.
I've got 2 tar amps running 0.9 per amp. 2 6.5 Ruby Russian Prides. 2 of the Etsy Prides fell back there. The tweets, and then I've got just a Scar tweet and another mismatch.
Okay. Wow, so you actually, this used to be like a ported wall?
It used to be a flat wall from the C-pillar back there, and then I wasn't happy with the performance. It was I was pushing like a high 57 at like 33 hertz, 34 hertz, and I wanted more, so I sealed that back port off, and I initially started with a 6th order bandpass.
Yeah.
I wasn't happy with it. Decided to go 4th order. It was windier, so right now I'm just trying to get my amps up and trying to get my
Yes, sir. Nice. What is your impedance on the amplifier?
Impedance are 1 ohm. They're both 1 ohm stable. So I don't know what the impedances are when I'm running like full tilt.
Yeah, it's all good. Nice. Are you doing any kind of roof work eventually?
Yeah. So I actually went with your your liquid nail technique with your jacks.
Yeah.
I actually went with that back here, but my B pillar broke. Right here, and this one right here. So I've got a bunch of rattle coming.
Yeah, it's flexing on them. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it from the top of the outside.
Yes, sir. Okay. Can I see the amplifier? Yeah.
The amp is ugly.
It's all right.
It's ugly, but it's the concept, right?
Yep, that's right. That's all that matters, as long as they can see it.
That's it.
That ain't that bad, man. I've seen way worse.
So I'm still working on the fiberglass. I moved my fuse ports inside the actual box. I blew those 2 all the way.
All right. You want this? I'll let you control the windows.
Oh, no, you're good. What do you want? You want it up or down?
No, you control the windows. You know your cone control and what works best, so. Nice. Got some fur action too.
Oh, yeah. Love the fur, man. I love my Russian build.
Oh yeah. Play something that's got some good sub flex that you know of. I'll get some inside shot. This looks good.
Oh, for sure. It's hard to sit here, man. These walls they're unforgiving.
Ready when you are, man.
Hey, sometimes you can ride and turn smoke, reflecting. Think about the past, the present, the future. Talking to yourself, word for word. talking, I don't like to argue with you. Ain't gonna be no more laughing. You see me with that, cause I'm gonna be the shot. You don't care, I don't follow no bitches. But all your bitches, they following me. He just pull it out in this bitch. Packing a mirror, let's go. She like I spit. Just had to deal, I'm on.
So I closed the port off and just did a full fan pass. Let this charge up a little bit.
Sure, yeah. The first nigga play on my body. I just tap my balance. Pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. No cap, you know that you all talk to that nigga. Crazy, don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Bitch, you caught with your hoe. Them both know they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm a go, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank and take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. Disrespect me and I'll beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. Till I pop out with a million. Take 20 kilos. Make one of your partners to kill you.
Appreciate it, man. You're cooking them a little bit.
Oh yeah. I'm still trying to break them in. Like,
Yeah.
you see I'm straight clipping, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know. Brazilian amps, I love them, but
Yeah.
you gotta have electrical.
Yep.
Till I'm on, yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure, yeah. The first nigga play on my body. Pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. No cap, you know that you all talk to that nigga. Crazy, don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Bitch, you caught with your hoe. Them both know they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm a go, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank and take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. Disrespect me and I'll beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. Till I pop out with a million. Take 20 kilos. Make one of your partners to kill you. You say you don't want to be this shit that can fit in my pocket. I got like sure, yeah. The first nigga play. Pull up to your hood and come buy me a nigga. No cap, you know that you all talk to that nigga. Crazy, don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Bitch, you caught with your hoe. Both know they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm a go, act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank. Take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch, and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. Respect me and I'll beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. Till I pop out with a million. Take 20 kilos. Make one of your partners and children. You say so.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Drop in Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.